Hi, my name is Dr. Evelyn. I'm a Jawad teacher and also a tutor on the accredited Jawad belly dance training courses. In this video, I want to go over some of the basic Saidi steps. Now, the Saidi is a folkloric dance from Upper Egypt, and the rhythm is very catchy. It goes dum tak, dum dum tak, dum tak, dum dum tak. It's used very often in Egyptian pop music as well, and it's just a rhythm that really makes you want to bounce. And creating that bounce in your body when you're actually hearing the Saidi music is very important. So your knees are soft and your shoulders and your chest are to some extent just kind of reflecting that lovely bounciness in the music. So there's a couple of key steps that if you are dancing to a Saidi, you're likely to put in because they basically go together. It's almost impossible not to do them to the rhythm once you know them. So the first one is called the horse step. Your posture is the same as always. So you've got your ankles, your knees and your hips beautifully aligned, your tailbones tucking down with 30% or so, and we've got soft knees as always when we're dancing. Now the horse step goes step to the side, lifting the knee and bouncing once on the heel, capturing the rhythm. Step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce. You can add different quality to these. You can kind of push through the heel, make it more funky and earthy, or you can have a nice pointed toe and make it a bit more cabaret, oriental style Saidi if you like, pretty. But even when you are stepping, that you're keeping the rhythm in your feet all the time. And your hands could be here, pretending to hold the Saidi cane, or they can do little salutes. So that's your horse step. You're never stepping wider really than kind of your own frame. So here's my shoulders, this is the width that I'm stepping. If I was to step a lot wider, I become very unbalanced. So keep the stepping appropriate to your own frame. The jump step is another one because the Saidi is traditionally a martial arts dance. So it's supposed to be quite funky and fierce, but we can obviously do any interpretation on the music that we choose. The jump step, you can start in different positions, but the main thing is that we are bending our knees a bit, and then we're kind of pushing off and we're pivoting on the foot that's behind to turn ourselves around 180 degrees. And then from here, we're bending the knees, pivoting on the back foot, pushing off and bringing ourselves around again 180 degrees. Try and remember to engage your core because it's going to help to get you around. You can start your jump step anywhere you want. So you can start it facing front on, and you're going to keep your posture, bounce off in the knees and bring your foot behind. And again, taking off, and again. And on this occasion, I'm pretending to keep my cane up here. Could have it elsewhere, but often it's here or here. Let's try on the other side. So this time I'm going to jump back with my right first, preparing myself, softening the knees, and I'm going to go back 90 degrees, and then 180, 180, 180, 180. All the time stepping just appropriate enough to my own frame. So the horse step and the jump step are kind of key Saidi moves. The horse step goes side side, but there's also a variation which goes forwards, bounce, back, bounce, forwards, bounce, back, bounce. You can start on either leg that you want, and the same thing applies, stepping appropriately to your own frame. And Not many steps at all. It's literally just going forwards, bounce on the heel you're standing on, back, bounce on the heel you're standing on, forwards, bounce on the heel. Let's try those basics with a bit of music. So we're going to get our posture right first, softening the knees, tucking under, nice and straight in the spine, nicely aligned feet. We're going to do the horse step. Let the bounce translate into your heels as well as your shoulders. But keep it relaxed, don't force it. We can do a jump step. And we can travel forwards with a couple of camels. And then we can do forwards and back bounce. Out, bounce, back, bounce. Horse step to the side and jump step, arms overhead. Cameling to the front. Into your horse step. Forwards and back bounce. Jump step. Get ready to camel to the front. Now we can take it a step further. With the forwards and the bounce step, forwards and back bounce step, we can turn. So as we come back, we can pivot. Going to the side, and as we come back, we can pivot. Turning at 90 degrees every single time. We can try on the other one as well. So going left, going anti-clockwise, we're going to go out, bounce, back, and as I bounce on my back foot, I pivot on the ball of my foot. Out, bounce, back, bounce, out, bounce, back, bounce, out, bounce, back, bounce, out, bounce. So you'll find that your foot might start turning before, which is a good idea because it protects your knees, as long as you know and you're clear on what step you're actually turning. Let's go around to right. Horse step. Now forwards and backwards step. On your left, we're gonna turn the other way. Back into the horse step. So there you've got some basics, the ED step, the horse step, the jump step, and also a variation on the horse step, bouncing forwards and back. And there's a whole array of opportunities, just kind of combining those and making them your own. Happy practicing.